So happy Saturday, happy Saturday, happy Saturday. Wanted to do this really quick. Got a question that came in just a few minutes ago from uh, one of my coaching clients about how to create a QR code for a website. So I figured, like, why not just go ahead and do a live and record it and put it out on the internet. If you're on YouTube or LinkedIn and you're catching this live, subscribe, like, share, tell everybody about it. And if you'd like a QR code for your business added to a shirt, for example, like if I wanted to put a QR code somewhere on this cool shirt, my wife made me this one. She put some trading candles on here. We can do that for you. I just need to get my wife's phone number somewhere in here. You can reach out to her, text her first and let her know who you are. Or you can reach out to me if you feel more comfortable doing that first. And we can get you a QR code added to either the back of a shirt or to the front of a shirt on cotton and or polyester, whatever you prefer. And just let us know. And my wife can talk to you about the options to be able to do that. So very, very cool way to market. And the cool thing about having a QR code on the back of a shirt is as you're walking around, it says, scan me to whatever, right? Scan me to save money on travel. Scan me to, whatever your call to action is. Scan me to connect. Maybe you're sending them to a Linktree site with all your connection stuff on it. Maybe you're sending them to a Facebook page. Maybe you're sending them to a website. The whole point of that is to start the conversation, because a lot of people are going to say, hey, what is that on the back of your shirt? And if you're really cool, you screenshot that QR code and you put it on your phone like this, right? You put it on your phone like that. You see I have it on my phone. So if somebody says, what's that on your shirt? I'll simply open it up and have it on my phone. Hey, scan this really quick. And it goes to the exact same website, which is forestnight.com, right? It'll take them to forestnight.com. And of course, guess what's on forestnight.com? My marketing stuff. I'll show you that here really quick. So check this out. So again, if you don't know me, my name is Forrest Knight. I'm a social media marketing strategist. I love helping small business owners and people make money, plain and simple. And if that's you, you're in the right place. And this is one of the ways to do that, is to generate leads and start conversations. So in starting a conversation, you can lead somebody down the path that you want to get them to go to. I'm going to talk about creating QR codes using Chrome browser. If you use Safari or some other way, you're going to have to figure it out on your own. But this is the basic premise for doing it with Chrome. First, you're going to come in here and you're going to search for Chrome QR code generator. Chrome QR code generator. It's going to bring it up. You're going to click on this link right here, and it's going to open it up. And it's going to say that you want to add it to your browser. You simply click add it to your browser. I've already added it to my browser because I use it all the time to create QR codes. Once you've created a QR code, it's going to add this little box up here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's this little box up here to create a QR code. So I'm going to come to a website like this one. This is one of the 4 sites that we have for lead generation and enrolling customers. We've got our travel platform, which is absolutely cool. Somebody can come here, enroll in travel and get up to 35% savings. Absolutely cool. We've got the Bill Genius, which saves people money on their bills. And if you're watching this right now and you'd like to save money on your bills, this is some awesome stuff right here. Reach out to me. I'll get you the link for this. You can go in. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. You'll work with a bill negotiator. They'll save you some money. So unless you just have more money you can stand and you can just light it on fire and you don't care about it, recommend this. And of course, Zents. It's has some really cool stuff with our skin tech and our Zents aromatherapy products. And of course, my all-time favorite is Elevate education and trading platform. If you ever want to learn how to trade, this is the Elevate platform. This is where you'd register to do that. And any of these links, if you want information on any of these at all, feel free to reach out to me. I should have put a QR code on this live. That would have been like perfect to be able to do this. So anyway, I would create a QR code. So I want to create a QR code for this specific landing page right here. And I can do one because they're all got a little bit different URL. I can create a QR code for this. I created the QR code generator. So I simply come up here. I'm going to click on this. It created my QR code. You can see it's right here. Drop the link in here. I like to just hit the QR code again. And then I'm going to download it to my computer, right? I simply hit the download and it's going to download to my computer. So I would download this into my computer, get that on my computer, and I'm all ready to go. Also, matter of fact, let's do this really quick since I'm doing this. I just downloaded that. Let me go find this here real quick. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to put this right here on my live. Show in my folder. Wrap this up in my folder. I'm going to drop this over here to Elevate Exported QR Code. Let me close that real quick. come over here and add it to my branding. Where's my QR code? Scroll up here a little bit. Give me a second. I'm just having some fun, you guys. I just had to think about this. Come up here to Elevate. And what was it? Exported QR codes, I think is what it was called. Yeah, I believe that's the one there. We'll grab that. And I'm going to add that. There you go. There's the QR code right there. So if you scan that QR code, it should take you to this page right here. Very, very neat. Very, very cool. So I just actually put that on my broadcast. So you scan that QR code. Let me check it out. Let me see if it works. I'm going to try it with my own phone. Bring up my camera here. Scanned it. Open. Actually, it goes to my business presentation site. So either way, I've got to have one on here for Elevate. I don't know where it is, but that's a QR code. That's how it works. To go to the presentation, the business opportunity presentation right there. So that's how you create a QR code. I downloaded this somewhere. Dang, I want to find it. 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 I don't think that's the one. Let me try this one. Let me find it. Let me find it. Let me find it. Generated. I just hate doing something and then exported QR code. I think that was the one there. Let me see. I'm gonna get this right, you guys. I love doing the stuff the right way. Yes, that's the one right there. So now that QR code, if you scan that QR code and you're watching this, you scan that QR code, it's actually going to take you to this page right here. It'll take you right here to this page. And of course, you'll have access to all these other tabs. So now that you've got this QR code, you can download it. You can put it on your phone. I've saved this onto my computer. So now I can actually open it up on my phone. I go to Google Docs. I save it in my Google Docs. I open it up. I save it onto my phone. I put it as my phone background. Like I showed you earlier, I put it on my phone background, and I can simply have somebody scan this. I can print it out. I can do whatever I want to. I can put it on a business card. I can put it on a website. I can do whatever. Say I want to create a QR code for my Linktree page. I've got this set up here. Going to do the same thing. I'm simply going to click on the QR code. You see the Linktree URL is added in there. I do QR code. I hit download, and it's going to download my QR code here. I'm going to open this up, and I want to rename it. Show in folder. I want to rename this. Show more options. Rename, and I'm going to call this Linktree QR code. Right? Linktree QR code, and I can just scoot that over to my pictures, and I'm all good to go. And that's how you create a QR code. So hopefully that provided some value for you. If you want to create a QR code, again, if you're using Safari or some other browser, you're going to have to YouTube that and figure out how to do that. But that's how you do it using Chrome. Again, if you'd like to go to enroll and get the free travel site, doesn't cost anything. Just go to that QR code right there, click the iGo tab, put your name, phone number, and address in there. There's no catches. It gives you access up to 35% savings. It's my treat to you for watching this live. If you'd like to enroll in trading, simply go to the Elevate tab, click on that. You can also call me or text me if you have any questions, feel free. But that's basically how you create a QR code. Love you, appreciate you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing you can do about that. And again, if you want a t-shirt, if you want a QR code put on the back or the front of a shirt, reach out to my wife, let her know, and she'll tell you exactly how she can get that done for you. Appreciate you, love you. Have an absolutely awesome weekend. QR codes, baby. Go out and get some leads. Bye-bye.